Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This DIY is a collab with one of my YouTube family members. His name is Ray from One Way Designs 238. He's relatively new to the YouTube DIY community, but it won't be long before you all get to know him. He has amazing talent. He's into glam and bling and a little bit of farmhouse. So while discussing a collab, we decided that we would go with that. We're going to do a little bit of farmhouse mixed in with some glam and bling. And we also decided that our DIYs would be for a wedding. So in my DIY, I'll be making some glamorous farmhouse wedding candle holders. And before I get started, I would like to give a special shout out to Love My Babies. I was told by Ray that she did some glamorous farmhouse decor as well. So you beat us to the punch, but that's okay. I'll be sure to link her channel below and her video. Okay guys, on to the DIY. In today's DIY, I'll be creating a candle holder. First off, I have a milkshake glass, and I found this at Goodwill, 99 cents. So most of the time, if you're looking for these, go to Goodwill. And here I have a black trinket box that I picked up from Dollar Tree, and I'll be sure to leave the SKU below. They didn't have these in white, so I'm going to spray paint it white, and I'll be using this Rust-Oleum gloss enamel in white. I'll also be spray painting the inside of this glass with some looking glass spray paint, and it's going to give it a mirror finish on the inside. So I'll go ahead and do those, come back and move on to the next step. Okay guys, I'm back to move on to the next step. While the paint is drying on those other two pieces, I'm going to go ahead and decorate the cylinder vase from Dollar Tree. Here I have some lace that I purchased from Amazon. You can use whatever lace you like. You can even use some lace from Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is measure and see where I need to cut. I always like to cut a little bit more than what I need to make sure. Okay, we have our cut. So now you want to make sure you find the back. This is the front, this is the back. So what I'm going to do is take some Fix-All from Dollar Tree and put it on the back of the lace. I'm going to use a popsicle stick, put the glue on there, and just put it on the lace. I could just put it all on the cylinder vase itself, but certain places it will show. You want to make sure you get the tips. You know, just follow the design of the lace that you have, and you'll determine exactly where you need to put the glue. You might even be able to put the glue on your vase without having to do what I'm doing. Now I'm going to take the vase, lay it down, and apply my decoration. You can put it at the top or the bottom. I'm putting mine at the bottom. Once you get all the way around, you cut off the excess. You have some places that still raise up, like here, where it connects at the end. Go ahead and add a little bit more glue. Okay, so I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes, come back and move on to the next step. Okay guys, I'm back and it's completely dry. Now I'm going to decorate the very bottom with these jewel border stickers from Dollar Tree. Okay, so all you do is just peel it right up and stick it on. If you want to add some more adhesive, you can, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to add it to the very bottom of my cylinder vase, just like that. Okay, that didn't go completely around, so now I'll take a second one, lift it, and just put it on and cut it where needed. Okay, just like that, all the way around. So next up, I want to add some gems to the flowers on the lace, right in the center. So here I have some rhinestones, and I've already selected some. I'm going to use my rhinestone picking tool to pick them up. and some hot glue to glue them on. Okay, so that's how that looks. The next thing I want to do is add some flower bling around the top. I could go with 2 rows, but I'm actually going to go with 1. Normally I add a little bit of glue with this to make it permanent, but I'm not going to do this for the sake of the video. And I'm starting in the back. This is the back. This is where the lace begins and ends, so this is the very back. Next, I'll hot glue some of these flat back pearls to the flower bling. Okay guys, I'm back. It's the very next day, and as you can see, I've already painted the base white, and here's my milkshake glass after I spray painted it with the mirror spray. And so what I'm going to do is just glue this right on top of there. And again, I'll be using my trusty Gorilla Glue. Just place it right on top. And it's pretty much a perfect match to the base. Next, I'll put some of these flowers around where the 2 pieces meet. Okay, just like that. Alright, so next I'm going to take some of my flower bling and put a row right around the base. And just continue to go all the way around. Okay, just like that. Next up, I have some flat back pearls, and I've already picked some out, and I'm going to hot glue them onto the flowers. Okay, so now we have that part completed. So now I'm going to take my cylinder vase, turn it upside down, flip this back over, and apply some Gorilla Glue around the top. Now I'm going to put both pieces together. Come back over and just check to make sure that it's straight. Okay, now being very careful, I'm going to go ahead and add some more of the flat back pearls right around the neck. Okay, I'm done putting the pearls around the neck. I gotta be careful because I don't want it to fall apart. Now with this particular glass, there's like some little indentations. That's where I put the beads. And then there's some high points between there. I have this beaded bling, and I'm going to cut it and put a row on each of the raised areas. And these came from Dollar Tree as well. They have them in white and silver. And I actually do have some white ones, some pearl ones, but don't know where they are. They probably would have gone cute with this as well. I'm going to put this right between these 2 white beads. Remove the backing and then just glue these down. Now I'll put another row right between this set of beads. Okay, just like that. So I'm going to continue to go all the way around, come back, and we'll be done. Okay, this is going to be a new section in my video explaining a couple of things that can be used when you can't find certain items. Now, in this particular DIY, you can also use this glass from Dollar Tree. And here's the skew. I'll also leave it in the description below. By all means, if you find the waving milkshake glass, do not use that. That does not look good with this particular project, so please don't use that one. As for the lace, I found this pack on Amazon. As you can see in the video, I used the white, but it comes with black. And I have a DIY in mind with this as well, along with some ribbon that I found at Dollar Tree. It also comes in a silvery gray. And then there's this beautiful pink. So here you get 4 different colors. And I'll leave the price below. I think it was around $11, I'm not sure. But I'll link it below as well. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the other colors that it came in, and then show you what else you can use other than the milkshake glass. Okay, I'm done adding the strips all the way around. And now it's completed. And of course I made 2, so I'm going to light them up, put them on display, and let you see what they look like. Okay everyone, this completes my DIY for my glamorous farmhouse wedding candle holders. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Also comment below if you'd like to see more of the mix between farmhouse and glam. And please don't forget to go over and check out Ray from One Way Designs 238 and Love My Babies. Once again, I hope that you enjoyed this DIY, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. It's absolutely free. Okay everyone, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.